Hey guys, welcome back to Digit.in, and the HP Omen X Compact desktop seems like a concept high-end PC which has come to production meant to untether virtual reality to some extent. We have already uploaded an unboxing and first look video for you guys. The link is there in the description down below. HP's tagline, "Keep reinventing," may not fit each and every PC they make, but it definitely stands for the Omen X Compact desktop PC. The oblong, octagon-like shape is quite unique, and once seated on the desktop dock, the machine looks like an artifact from a game. The front fascia of the machine has an LED cluster which is customizable via software. There are plenty of ports all around, and once you connect it to the dock itself, the number of ports increase. You have grills on either side which work as the breathing area for the PC, giving it an unrestricted airflow. The whole unit weighs about 2.4 kilos, which is quite light for a gaming PC. And should we mention that the unit itself has a small battery pack. The VR backpack which comes with this machine is equally well designed and is quite lightweight. It has a raised carbon fiber backplate with grooves, in which the Omen X Compact slides into. Being powered by batteries makes the Omen X Compact an untethered approach to VR gaming. Speaking of which, HP has also announced its new mixed reality headset in India, and pre-booking the Omen X Compact will get you one for free. If we talk about this mixed reality headset, especially the experience and functionality, it is similar to what we have seen previously. It is based on the mixed reality headset standard developed by Microsoft itself, hence the plug-and-play nature. Coming to performance, the small PC is powered by an Intel Core i7-7820HK processor, which is overclockable and comes with a factory overclocked NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 GPU. This makes it one of the most powerful compact desktops around. HP has not compromised on storage either. You are getting a 1TB Samsung manufactured NVMe SSD, which is super fast. We played a couple of games in the mixed reality mode, and as expected, there were not any issues. However, with such an array of top-shelf hardware, it was somewhat expected. All that said though, it's hard to justify the price to someone who's looking at this just from a pure gaming or performance perspective. To us, it's like the HP Spectre, a capable machine in all ways possible, but the premium design and bling value it commands is something you are paying more for. We will be reviewing the HP Omen X Compact soon, and will let you know whether it lives up to the claims HP has to make. Regardless, if we just skip over the price, you and us both know in our hearts that we want one. So what do you think about this video? Comment down below, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Digit.in.